You can visit our website www.edubbey.com to have access to our online courses. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network, using blockchain technology to enable secure and transparent transactions. It was created by an anonymous person or group of people under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto and introduced in a 2008 white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The key innovation of Bitcoin is its use of a distributed ledger, the blockchain, to record all transactions across the network. This ledger is maintained by nodes in the network through a process called mining, where new blocks are added to the chain after solving complex mathematical puzzles. Bitcoin's design allows for trustless and censorship-resistant transactions, as no central authority controls it. Users can send funds directly to each other without needing intermediaries like banks or payment processors. The limited supply of 21 million coins ensures scarcity, and has led some to view Bitcoin as digital gold, a store of value with potential as an inflation hedge. Despite its early adoption challenges, Bitcoin has gained significant popularity over time, and has become one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies globally. Its impact on finance, technology, and economics continues to be closely watched by enthusiasts, investors, regulators, and institutions alike.